Did Santa Claus come?
Yeah.
Santa Claus came.
What? Santa Claus came?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah? What did he do? Did he leave something? He left you presents.
Wow.
Yeah. Look.
That's for you.
All those presents are for you from Santa, honey.
Wow, you must have been a good boy.
He read your letter, right?
He ate your cookies, too.
Look, he ate your cookies. Look, and the milk is gone. Wow. He read your letter and he gave you what you asked for.
Yeah.
Are you going to open your presents?
Yeah.
All right, let's get to it then.
Let's go.
Go ahead, open it. Open it. Pull the string, pull the string, pull that string. The string.
No.
Yeah, that's it. Pull it, pull it. Oh, there you go.
Of course, the first one, the hardest one to open.
There you go. Now open it.
Oh.
Oh, rip it. Rip it up.
Rip all the paper.
What is it? What is it? What is it?
A toy.
A toy. What toy? Oh.
It's Play-Doh.
That's Play-Doh?
And it's a whole bunch of Play-Doh stuff. You can cut with scissors with the Play-Doh, and you can do all sorts of stuff with the Play-Doh, honey.
I can open another present.
Yeah, let's do that. Let's do that.
Present.
What's that?
Now open and find out. Go ahead, rip up the paper.
I gotta find one of the edges. Here, I'll start it for you. Okay, there you go.
You do it. Take it all off. Get it off of there. There you go. What is it? Come on, open it.
Open it, Bodie.
Okay.
Wow. What's that?
Wow.
Whoa, what is that?
A car race.
A ramp for a car?
Yeah.
This says Rooftop Race Garage.
Wow.
Open it.
Well, wait and
Finish,
open the other.
presents.
Open all of them, Bodie. Open all
Then
of
we
your
can start
presents
opening-
first.
Yeah.
Look, you have so many presents.
You gotta open all of them up and then we could start playing with them.
Yeah, look at all the presents. Here, open this one next.
Okay.
Just rip it, rip it.
Whoa.
Rip the paper off.
No big one. You need this one
Go ahead,
first.
rip the paper off. Rip the paper off. There you go.
Look.
I can't see. You gotta take the paper off. Take it all off.
Yeah. What did Santa give you?
Take the paper off.
We don't know what Santa gave you.
A Santa gave me this present, and Santa gave me a big present.
Yes, you got lots of them.
Oh, rip it up, rip it up.
Look, this man.
Yeah, take it off.
Man,
Take off the wrapping paper.
we can't see. Show us.
Glass. You see glass?
Yeah?
Jaws?
Whoa.
Look, this man.
Wow.
Look.
He's a rescue bot.
A rescue bot.
Yeah.
Wow.
He's the fire engine rescue bot, Bodhi.
Yeah.
He transforms into a fire truck.
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay. You want me to hold it? Or no?
Why does you need my